All right. Hello, everyone. I am Serena Roberts. I am one of the masterminds of Sistech. And today I have my girl Tricia with me. She will be speaking at the Sistech Conference on May 29th in Bloomington at the Hyatt Regency. And I have known Tricia for a couple of years now. I think we originally got together organizing the Twin Cities Tableau user group. And we've been doing that since, I think, you probably have been doing it longer than I have. I've been doing it since 2016, and you've been doing it, must be longer.
I think that same year, but I don't know either.
Like all the years go by. So Tricia also, she organizes the Twin Cities Data Biz group, and she also organizes the She Talks Data book club. So Tricia is very active in the local analytics community. Currently, she is the self-service analytics leader at nVent. She's been doing this kind of work for about 6 years. So she's got a wealth of experience, and we're lucky to have her at the conference. So, which brings me to your conference title, Tricia. It is From Stats to Stories, the Art of Data Storytelling. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're going to talk about in that presentation?
Yes. So I'm excited about the presentation, and it kind of started with, I was in a typical analyst role years ago when I kind of started down my career path and was instructed, like many are, to create this report every Monday morning, refresh it, email it out to the group, answer questions if you hear back. And I thought, why am I doing this? Who's looking at it? Is anybody looking at it? Am I wasting my time? And so really quickly, I just wanted to do more and do better starting off in my career. So I was given better technology. I started communicating with my business partners, the people that were actually looking at my reports, and realized that they were kind of human beings and they needed even, bigger, better, faster, stronger reports. I wasn't even giving them what they really wanted. They would just take that data, manipulate it themselves.
Yeah.
So quickly learned that I needed to tell that story better. So I started really learning how to tell better stories with pictures, using color, using layout, and like I said, given kind of bigger, better technology than Excel so that I could do better. And this kind of presentation will have, a little bit of technical in it, but we'll also really go over how do we tell that story? How do we visualize that story and impact the business? And it will be kind of all about that business user and our clientele within a business organization.
Yeah, it's a super good skill to have, whether you have access to a cool data visualization tool or just Excel. In my opinion, these are principles and best practices that everybody should learn.
Yes, yep. And we'll also go into kind of data literacy and my definition of what that is, and making sure that you are spreading that word and doing the best you can as a kind of a steward of data.
Awesome. I'm excited for your workshop.
Me too.
So then, aside from your presentation, Tricia, which presentation are you most excited about, or which presentation would you not want to miss the most?
Yes, so I'm excited about the conference as a whole, and I'm so excited to get it started this year. But specifically, Michaela Gartner's Agile Principles for Avoiding Burnout is very intriguing to me, as I've been in the corporate world for quite a while now, and I need to know how I can continue on down this journey. So I'm hoping she can give me some insightful something.
Yeah. How do you do that?
Yes. How do you do that?
Good one to know. Okay, Tricia, last question. So what interested you in speaking at the conference? Like, why was it important?
Yes, very important. One, because I can never turn down an opportunity to give a presentation and speak, but really following kind of down the journey that Sistech has and wants out of women in this world, working in, again, the corporate world, all the women that are coming behind me and focusing kind of on their STEM careers. I need to make sure that we can do better and give a better path for them, since it's still very hard to be a woman in this business, and that's simply there are just no excuses for things that we have to deal with at some point. So I just want to do better, be better, and together we will.
Awesome. Cool. Well, I'm really excited. I hope the rest of you are excited. If you'd like to learn more about the Sistech Conference, you can go to sistechcon.org. I'll put a link in the comments. Again, it's May 29th in Bloomington at the Hyatt Regency. We have a mosaic of amazing speakers listed on that website, so please go check it out and grab yourself a ticket. Thanks, Tricia.
Thank you, Serena.
I'll see you soon.
Yep.
Bye.